Now, in a huge twist in the Sandeep Kumar sex scandal, the woman in the footage has filed a complaint against the sacked minister, accusing him of spiking her drink and misbehaving with her. Sandeep Kumar, who's finally surrendered before the police, has been booked for rape. Here's a report.
उन्होंने तैयारी ऐसे करी कि पहले तो मेरे को ठंडा पिलाया। अच्छा। फिर ठंडा पीने के बाद थोड़ी देर बैठा, बातचीत करा कि राशन कार्ड बनवा दूंगा, बन जाएगा, तुम टेंशन मत लो, और क्या नाम, मेरे पास आओ, बैठो।
It is the most explosive twist to the Aam Aadmi Party sex tape saga. The woman in the infamous AAP sex CD coming out to lodge a complaint against sacked AAP Mantri Sandeep Kumar. The 10-minute video has now landed Sandeep Kumar in deeper legal trouble. Exclusively speaking to India Today, the lady pointed at exploitation and even being drugged.
उन्होंने तैयारी ऐसे करी कि पहले तो मेरे को ठंडा पिलाया। अच्छा। फिर ठंडा पीने के बाद थोड़ी देर बैठा, बातचीत करा कि राशन कार्ड बनवा दूंगा, बन जाएगा, तुम टेंशन मत लो, और क्या नाम, मेरे पास आओ, बैठो। फिर उसके बाद मेरे को पता नहीं लगा। हाँ जी।
आपका मतलब है नशा मुझे कुछ पिला दिया आपको?
हाँ जी। ये भी नहीं पता क्या करा उसने। अच्छा। क्या पता ये चालू करा होगा, क्या बोलते हैं, बीड़ी में। अच्छा। हाँ जी।
मतलब आपको ये अंदेशा है कि उसने आपको कोल्ड ड्रिंक में कुछ पिला दिया था और पिलाने के बाद कुछ किया?
हाँ जी।
Even as Kejriwal tweeted his dismay, the opposition charged ahead, hitting harder.
तुरंत यदि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के विचार नहीं होते तो अरविंद केजरीवाल जी अब तक क्षमा याचना कर चुके होते, अरविंद केजरीवाल जी अब तक एक्शन ले चुके होते।
A day after the Aam Aadmi Party leader Ashutosh blogged in favor of the leader in the sex soup, invoking Nehru, Gandhi and Vajpayee's private lives, Aam Aadmi Party distanced itself from Ashutosh, sticking to Kejriwal's policy of zero tolerance for Sandeep Kumar's act.
इस विषय को लेकर हाथ जोड़कर माफी मांगनी चाहिए थी। उस विषय में हिंदुस्तान के इतिहास के सबसे बड़े बड़े महापुरुषों के नाम को हमने इस प्रकार से घसीटा, इससे आम आदमी पार्टी को शर्मसार होना चाहिए और माफी मांगनी चाहिए।
हम उनकी बहुत कड़े शब्दों में निंदा करते हैं और मेरा ख्याल है उनको दरखास्त ही नहीं करना चाहिए, पूरी अपॉलॉजी सारे देश भर को देनी चाहिए।
So who is telling the truth? The complainant or Sandeep Kumar, who claims he's targeted for being a Dalit? The question is, why did the complainant wait for so long before stepping out? There are murmurs of her being used as a political tool. Could they be true? With more questions than answers for now, Sandeep Kumar's troubled times are only beginning. With Rajat Singh and Anindya Banerjee, Bureau Report, India Today.
And after all these developments, the sacked AAP minister has surrendered before the DCP Outer Delhi Police Office. The minister surrendered after the woman who was seen in a sex tape with the minister filed a complaint against him with the Sultanpuri police station in the capital. The woman claimed that she had approached Sandeep Kumar for a ration card, after which she was offered a drink, which was allegedly spiked. The woman has now been taken for a medical test. Also, AAP leader Ashutosh, who readily voiced support for the AAP MLA Kumar in one of his blogs, is receiving massive flack from not just the AAP chief minister but also from the chief of the National Commission for Women.
देखिए, हमारे पास आज दोपहर को एक कंप्लेंट रिसीव हुई है जिसमें पूर्व मंत्री संदीप कुमार के खिलाफ कंप्लेंट है और उस कंप्लेंट के आधार पे हमने उनके खिलाफ एक केस अभी रजिस्टर किया है और उस केस की अभी इन्वेस्टिगेशन हमने शुरू की है। इसमें हमने सेक्शन 376 आईपीसी और रेलेवेंट सेक्शंस ऑफ आईटी एक्ट लगाए हैं।
And well, sacked AAP MLA Sandeep Kumar, who surrendered before the DCP Outer Delhi Police Today office, has been booked under the following sections. He is slapped with sections of rape under section 376 and has also been booked under section 328 for drugging a person to commit an offence. Sandeep has also been slapped with section 67A of the IPC. So these are the detailed sections. Section 67A of the IT Act is to shoot or circulate a sexual act. Let's go across to Anindya Banerjee for more details on this. A number of sections under which Sandeep Kumar has been booked there, Anindya, and all of them, of course, are very, very grave.
Not only very grave, Akshita, but they're also, most of them are non-bailable. Like Section 376 is one of the very serious charges that's an allegation of rape. That is very serious charge. Also, Section 328 is very serious as far as IPC is concerned. 67A of IT Act, as you rightly mentioned, for circulating that video that was allegedly made by him, and also Section 7 of the Prevention of Corruption Act. That is also, since he has been a public official and he misused his official position. So various strong allegations against a person who has been a public figure till a few days back, who has been seen in multiple forums in the with the who's who of the Aam Aadmi Party, until yesterday he got a backing from none less than Ashutosh, a very senior member of the Aam Aadmi Party, taking quite a different view from that of his own party. So very clearly, with these sections added to the FIR, and once the arrest formally takes place, definitely tough times ahead for Sandeep Kumar. Also tough times ahead for the Aam Aadmi Party politically, because they are on a back foot.
Absolutely. Anantya, thanks for joining us with those details. Trouble definitely mounting for Sandeep Kumar. He's been booked for rape, for drugging a person, as well as shooting or circulating a sexual act. We're going to have to